Good morning, guys. We're up and running already. My husband went to drop off Marcus to school. This guy woke up and he's eating breakfast, and I'm about to start drinking my coffee, and then we go up to that room right there for homeschooling. So this is how we're gonna start off the day. I already gave him the probiotic he needed to take before food, and after he's done, I'll give him some other supplements that he is taking. Hi, baby. How are you? Did you eat? You want to do that, what you did yesterday? Really?
You want to do that?
Yeah. Like we were learning numbers 1 through 5. You on camera.
What's up, autism of everyday life? He is his boss, so he has to be in the camera.
Okay, what is this? 1. What is this? 2. Good job. What is this? 3. What is this? 4. What is this? 5. Okay, what is this? 1. What is this? What is this? 1, 2. 2. What is this? 3. Good job. What is this? 4. Look at me. 4. What is this? 5. 2. 3. Nice. Trace it nice. Thank you. 4. Good job. 5. Awesome. 1. 1. What is this number?
2.
2. What is this number?
2.
3. What is this number? 4. 4. What is this number?
2.
5. What is this number? 1. What is this number?
Oh.
What is this number?
2.
2. That's right. What is this number?
2.
3. What is this number? 4. What is this number? 5.